Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the stock market. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. What do? I'm James. I've been trading for 22 years. I've been making daily videos for almost 4 years, showing my trades and technical analysis of Bitcoin stocks. I'm invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT, Uniswap, FXS, Cubic, Pocket, Uniswap, I said. And that's in the stock side. In the crypto side, stock side, I'm in Tesla, Google, TSM, Meta. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. And everyone, none of this is financial advice. I'm showing you what I do with my money and my trades. You have to do your own decisions, contact your own financial professionals, your own brokers. TSM up 2% yesterday, tech stocks pumping yesterday. Meta up 1.4%, Google 1%, Microsoft 1%. Nasdaq up 0.3%, FXS hitting above $10, which is beautiful. Bitcoin 40,058, getting a bounce back. So this is on the longer term. Each candlestick here represents 1 week. Oh, that's not right. Okay, so here each candlestick represents 1 day, and you can see Bitcoin's bounce off this. There's a lot of lines. I've got to clean up these charts a little bit. So this area here, major support. This area here, major support. Bitcoin bounced off this support at 38,533. I literally caught the bottom by a few $100s. I'll show you. Here was my tweet. This was 2 days ago. I bought 0.5 Bitcoin at 38,866 and 1 Bitcoin at 38,943. I added to my positions at the drop. And you can see that the bottom of Bitcoin was 38,533 on that bounce, the local bottom. Not sure if it's complete bottom. On the weekly, stochastic is still heading down. On the daily, stochastic is oversold, turning to head up. It hasn't flipped gray yet. Let's look on the weekly on the indicator bots. Crypto Guru bot still blue buy from the bottom. It first fired the blue buy back here in February 2023 when Bitcoin was at 20K. It's still a blue buy now. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell at the top of the ETF announcement, and it hasn't fired a buy yet. So that Bitcoin indicator bot calling it perfectly. You get these bots in the master course. Second wave, so far we're getting this bounce off this blue line, 38,000. Stochastic is turning up, and there is still quite good volume. Everyone remember, volume predicts price. Volume predicts price. And right now, Bitcoin's volume is massive, almost at an all-time high of volume. Let's see what charts. Let's go closer. On the 4-hourly, stochastic heading up very strongly. We've got inverse head and shoulders here on the hourly, inverse head and shoulders, and a W formation. So we have this inverse head and shoulders that failed the breakout yesterday. It got rejected, came back, but now you can see it's attempting again. 1, 2. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th attempt on this $40,000 line, which is interesting. The stop loss from yesterday's trade hit. We came down to a low after that stop loss of 39,464. I think Bitcoin is going to break out here, but we've gotten rejected multiple times off this 40,200 yesterday also. So we need to put a buy. I would put a buy on this support area here. Tight stop loss just underneath. And take profit still at my second to third wave, the biggest impulse wave target, which in my opinion is still 60K. But again, you have to do your own due diligence. You have to consult your own brokers. But this is my target for Bitcoin. 60K for the second to third wave. I'll show you when I zoom out. So we zoom out. Second to third wave play is my target for Bitcoin. Let's clear up some of the trend lines. We don't need so many lines. We can get rid of this bottom trend line. We'll keep this yellow trend line because this is where Bitcoin got a very strong bounce. It was a resistance before that will turn into support. Daily, 4-hourly. So that would be the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Opening the trade, 39,509. Stop loss, 39,416. You can make the stop loss less to take more risk, but I personally make tight stop losses. So either my trade works and I make lots of money, or my trade hit my stop losses and it closes with very little loss. That's my goal when I'm trading. So that's the trade setup I would take on Bitcoin. Risk to reward 316 times, risking $66 to make $21,000 per Bitcoin. Where else in the world can you risk $66 to make $21,000 per Bitcoin? Where else can you risk $66 to make $21,000 with no leverage? With 10x leverage, that would be $210,000 profits. 100x leverage, 2.1 million. That's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. Opening 39,509. Very tight stop loss. 39,442. Take profit 60K. Risk reward 316. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Assuming we bottom out here, we've got volume coming in. We've still got strong volume. We bounced off a major support. But if this support breaks, most likely we would come down to 36,000. And I've got buy orders to say that. If you want to see my videos, my trades underneath this video, go down underneath the video below. These are the exchanges that I use. You get a $30,000 bonus when you use this link on Bybit. And these are the different exchanges I use and different bonuses. 2, the master courses. Make sure you've taken all of these courses before you join and try any of this, because you won't understand anything you're doing unless you take the crypto master course in detail. 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 traders for free talking and discussing together. You can see inside this Telegram, everyone trading, discussing, sharing trade ideas, sharing warnings, inverse head and shoulder. He's showing current price, Binance, Bybit. So you can see this is the Telegram where everyone's trading. This is just this morning's discussions and trade. This guy made 796% on Bitcoin longing 100x. Congratulations, 796%. He longed the bottom 38,888. Congratulations to see many people trading in here. My Bitcoin trades over on Bybit. My Bitcoin trade is currently, I added more to this position. It's now 5 Bitcoin trade. 5 Bitcoin trade. It's currently $25,800 in the profits. I added to my position there after I sold at 42K or 40 something thousand. I sold half of that position. Now I added 1.5 to that position. So that's a 5 Bitcoin trade, currently $25,000 in the profits. I already realized P&L, I already realized $12,000 profits, $12,600 of those profits, which is beautiful. My account, 487,000, 12.1 Bitcoin. 487,000 US, up from 150,000. The peak of this account was 590,000 on the ETF announcement. USDT, I've got 84,000, $80,000 in Bitcoin, $61,000 FXS, up 11%. Everyone, 61,000 FXS, up 11%. Doge, 51,000, about even. Uniswap, 42,000, about even. I added more to that position. MCRT, about even, 41, 40, almost 42%. 21K Pocket, up 7% on Pocket. And WorldCoin up 3%, which is beautiful. I want to buy more WorldCoin. I want to buy more Pocket. I want to buy more Doge. I think Elon can announce something massive for Doge. I'll add another. I want to add Doge on dips. So I won't do Ethereum today, guys. I'll do Ethereum and Doge quickly. So let's quickly go into Ethereum 2237. 2237. Wow, got rejected so strongly from 2600 to 22, coming down onto major support here. That ETF announcement, you can't mark that as a top. Coming down onto support on Ethereum. Here is a major area of support, but if it breaks, the real support, I would say, would be this line here. This is the major area of support on Ethereum. 2132. That's the real area of support on Ethereum. So I am expecting a further drop, and you can see here 2132. It can easily drop down even more. 2092. This is where I would go long on Ethereum. 2092. On this blue major area of support, tight stop loss, and take profit. Continuation of this run with $3,600 target, $3,400 target. That's the trade. 36 risk to reward, opening at 2088, stop loss 2052, take profit 3,400. Now I want to look at Doge, where I can add buy orders on major areas of support. So the big areas of support on Doge, let's clear all the history of this charts. How do I clear it? I want to clear this chart history. Remove. So I'm going to remove all the chart history on Doge and then put just some. Actually, no, let's keep what information. So that's the resistance. This was the major area of resistance, 88. So those two lines are resistance. This line has broken support. This move. So let's see. I want to clear up the lines a little bit and just get clear visuals. Okay, so I would say this is the major area of support here. This is real support at 0.05. This was the bottom of Doge, which I literally was buying on Dogecoin. If you see over on Bybit, here, you can see my buys on Dogecoin. Wait, let's see if it shows. Yeah, you can see my buys over here on Dogecoin. 3 months? No, maybe it only shows it in the 1 hourly, 2 hourly, 4 hourly. Okay, there's one buy at 0.07. Not sure why it's not showing. But I want to accumulate more Doge at these supports. So 0.05 is the main support. This is where we bounced on the ETF news. 0.07. 0.07. So that's a really big, strong area of support. 0.07. We also have a strong area of support here. 0.063. So I'm going to put buy orders at 0.07 and 0.063. So over on Doge, I'm going to buy Doge 0.07. I'll buy $5,000 worth of Doge at 0.07. We're very close to that. And I'm going to buy another at 6.3. Another $5,000 of Doge at 0.063. So my orders are sitting here. Yeah, that's my orders on Bitcoin. That's my trades. That's my updates on Doge. And again, everything you're seeing here down below underneath the video. 1 is the exchanges. 2, the courses to learn all of this. 3, join us in Telegram. Also, this was the inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin, but it failed yesterday. Let's see if this breakout will attempt now, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. And over on Twitter, you can also follow me on Twitter as well. And I share a lot of information here on Twitter on real time. You can see people's trades and comments and experiences from me, charity that I've done or gains that I've made, helping people. You can see some of the gains. I'm up $122,000 on my investment, almost double my money. Thanks for your information. James, my portfolio is up 50% because of your teachings. Best 1,000 taught James's course. You can see just like comments of people and their experiences, which is beautiful. These are some of you can go through and check out these threads. This is over on my Twitter. And also this is Bitcoin Super Bitcoin Man. I started making just like funny comment. Bitcoin is now the first US spot ETF to publish their Bitcoin address for their holdings. So you can see a live ETF's holdings, which is actually quite dangerous because someone from a sanctioned address can send Bitcoin here and they'll make the whole account sanctioned. This was yesterday, Pocket bouncing back, FXS bouncing back, which is beautiful. The Bitcoin buys at 38.886 were great calls, $220 off the local bottom. I literally almost caught the exact bottom when I bought Pocket, Uni, and Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Thanks for watching, everyone. That's my updates on the market, updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Love you all. Comment down below any tickers you want me to analyze. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.